What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix unable to open or import media on Clipchamp. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in Clipchamp, and then after coming to Clipchamp, just sign in with your email and password. But if you want to directly start Clipchamp, just simply click on try for free and then Clipchamp will be started directly. Now, in this video, we will import the video from the desktop. Yes, guys, from the desktop. As you can see, I am on my homepage of Clipchamp. After here, I will select the File Explorer and then I will right click on this video and then I will just hover to open with, and then from here I will choose Microsoft Clipchamp. So this video will directly open on my Clipchamp. But remember guys, if you have multiple videos, you can even do that with Clipchamp. You can just select by dragging multiple videos, to selecting multiple videos, right click and then go to open with and then open with Clipchamp. So your videos will be opened in Clipchamp. As you can see, my video has been opened in the Microsoft Clipchamp. This says getting Clipchamp ready for you. This has my name. And as you can see, the same video that was selected by me has appeared here, and then I can just drag and drop it in the timeline. So this is how you can open your video in Clipchamp via desktop while it's not working. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.